Here's my Packout 15-inch tote. Jigsaw. File. Ratchet screwdriver 15-in-1. Klein. Lawn extended Red Robbie #2. Demo flat Klein. I got my tin snips. Crescent 8-inch wrench. My 3 nut drivers. 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch, 5/16. Extension bit. My Weir 1000-volt insulated screwdriver. Green Robbie. Red Robbie. And I got 5.5, 3.5 slots. Klein torpedo level. I took this off just easier. Reamer, Klein. Multi-tool. Nut driver. My Kneepax strippers. These guys can cut through anything. Kneepax side cutters. Kneepax linemen. I've had Klein, but they break regularly. And they're Kneepax. Some tiny Klein needle nose. I had the Journeyman, but these get on the panels way easier. Got my 1000-volt Kneepax needle nose for panel work. Some Greenlee cable cutters. I had Klein, but they cut like shit. So Greenlee, try them out. Haven't tried them yet. I have a tick tester, 2-in-1, Sparky, Old Faithful. Klein plug tester, GFCI. Milwaukee knife. And this side is pretty sweet. It's got numerous compartments here. It's for small stuff. Got my Fluke always on tick tester. This is awesome. I've had Klein, I've had numerous ones, but this one's sweet. I have, this is pretty sweet. It's Klein. It's got numerous different heads. I don't use it too much, but if you're in a jam, you got you got 6 on here. 1/4 inch all the way to 1/2 inch. Three SDS bits, 3/16. Yeah, it's for Tapcon shit. 2 pencils, 2 Carpenter pencils, 1 Sharpie. And then I have this pencil here, Haltifors. I do have another one, but this is kind of a backup. It's pretty shit, to be honest. Terminal slot, Klein. And then 1/2 inch wrench. This is for strut shit. Alright, now Now to the goodies. I switch this out with M18 all the time, but just an M12 fuel impact. This bit's pretty sweet. This is a Racketeer. Has 2 heads. I got a number 2 Phillips, number 2 Robbie. It's good for almost everything. It's a 6-inch bit. It's pretty sweet. Old Faithful Stanley Fat Max 25 footer. I just bought this, haven't used it, but Greenlee tap set. I won't put this in my pouch, but I just need to put it in my case. For any measurements, for my Bosch laser measure. Pretty sweet. Really easy for pot layouts and shit. Right angle bit, DeWalt, gets you out of a jam. Some zip ties, make stuff clean. Then I got the handle for the nut set. I honestly don't use this, but I just put in the impact. Never know. Well, and then being that it's so open, I kind of put a little box in here. A little EMT box. I got a few goodies. Magnetic little extender thing so I can shove it in and get stuff I need if it's in a wall dropped or something. This is cheap, just Princess Auto for like $5. Electrical tape, a few steel step bits. I need to get a Greenlee set. This is just some shit Canadian Tire. More tape. Lock nut set. GB Gardner Bender, I believe. Another big step bit. Pretty cool stud finder. Put it on drywall, and right when it hits the screw, it pops out, so you can tell where the studs are. Just got a drop chain in case you need to drop something on a wall. Got a stubby. Whoops. Klein stubby. Some more tape. This is a pretty cool ratchet. Like, this is Klein as well. It's good for strut straps, like Cobra straps. You don't have much room. It's ratchet. It's pretty sweet. And I got this magnetic, like kind of belt piece. Really, really strong magnet. So if you have this on your belt, you want to have something on it, carry it around instead of a pouch or something if you're doing small work. Yeah, holstery, it's pretty sweet. It's like $50 Canadian. Speed bit set. Some Diablos, I believe. These are the best ones, I'd say. You get the thread to go into the wood. It's awesome. I think it's like $20 for a set. Just a different case I bought. Canadian Tire. Milwaukee light, rechargeable. It's bright as hell. LED. 3 different modes. Magnetic too, can go on a panel. Allen key set, Klein. This is awesome, good for panel work too. Solid. Just a quick guide for whatever measurements or calculations. Pretty sweet. Amazon again, like 20 bucks. A Milwaukee bit set. Taps all kinds of bits. Lastly, the multimeter. Nice T6 1000 or 1000 volt. Pretty sweet. And there's also storage down here, which I don't put much in because this is where I carry it on. It's got a few bits in here. Here's a, I think it's a 4-inch. For Canada, we use a lot of green Robbie, red Robbie. So now they're both sides interchangeable, nice and quick. And then up here it has got Pika, which I also have a Pika pencil, way better than the Holtziger or whatever it is. I really recommend this one. Comes with lead too, then just wire nuts, some screws, nothing crazy. Yeah, pretty sweet. Like, I go like a 4 out of 5. No compartments here, kind of sucks, but it does everything you need. 15-inch, yeah.